Hello friends, now I am unboxing Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra Titanium White Silver color. Doing so, I will also share some in-depth information of this smartphone. The Galaxy S25 Ultra maintains the premium sleek feel and looks similar to the S24 Ultra. However, upon grabbing the device feels lighter, bezels are thinner and easier to use. The corners of the device are rounded, making it easier to grab from the pocket. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is a bit bigger than the previous flagship, with its 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display, providing a QHD+ resolution. The screen remains clear even under direct sunlight. The durability of the display is also improved by Corning Gorilla Armor 2. A major change in case of the Galaxy S25 Ultra camera is that the ultra wide camera has been upgraded to 50 megapixel, which was previously 12 megapixel in S24 Ultra. This upgrade allows the user to capture much higher quality ultra wide shots, which can come in handy when taking those group photos. The Galaxy S25 Ultra also has a 200 megapixel wide lens, a 50 megapixel and a 10 megapixel telephoto camera. The front camera is 12 megapixel like the previous S24 Ultra. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, it delivers exceptional performance for multitasking and gaming. So friends, that's all about Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.